Hello guys, so in this video, I will be explaining how to convert your naira to raft, and the conversion that is possible from naira to raft, from USDT to raft, from naira to raft. So, and the possible reversal, maybe from raft to USDT and all. So here in this video, you know the ones that are possible. So we go to swap. So you click on your swap, then you click on convert. When you get to swap, then you will see convert. So for people that are asking how can they get raft token, so when you go to swap, you go to convert, then you click on transfer from. So this transfer from is telling you from where are you converting from, then to, that is the destination. So let's say I have deposited dollars, which is USDT, on my RAFT app already, and I want to convert it to RAFT. So I click on here, then I will select dollar balance. So right now I'm having just 30 USDT, then I'm converting it to RAFT. You can see there's no any other option. That means dollar can only be converted to USDT. Dollar can only be converted to RAFT. So I select, right? So then I put, let's say I'm converting $1, then I go ahead to convert it, right? So I go ahead to convert it, and that is it. So I got my successful message. Then if I am converting from naira to raft, then I click on the same thing. So now what am I converting? I want to convert naira now to raft. So I click on naira, then you can see naira. You know, the other time when we click on dollars, then you only see one option, that is dollar can only be converted to raft. You cannot convert dollar to naira. You cannot convert dollar to naira. You can only convert dollar to raft. So but now I want to convert naira. So now you can see naira has two options. You can convert naira to naira, then you can convert it to raft. So you can see, so you have two options here. So then if I want to convert naira, so you can see I can only convert naira to raft. So some people are asking me if they can convert naira to dollar or dollar to naira. You cannot convert dollar to naira, and you cannot convert naira to dollar. So naira can only be converted to raft. Naira, which is this, can only be converted to raft. Dollar, which is this, can only be converted to raft, and that is it. So then for you to convert raft can only be converted to dollars. You cannot convert raft to naira. You can only convert raft to dollar. So as simple as that. So this is me here, right? So then what we are trying to convert, which one? Naira to raft. You can see. So let's say I'm converting 100 naira, right? I'm converting 100 naira to raft, and that is it. Get? So as simple as that. There is no, you cannot convert to naira and withdraw, but you can withdraw naira. Let's say, for example, I want to withdraw naira now from this app. So I can convert my NAIRA. See my NAIRA. My NAIRA, I'm having 19,000 plus. So these NAIRA, they are the balances you get. Your login bonus, it's not, cashback is different. Cashback is going to your cashback wallet straight. So, but NAIRA are the commissions you are getting. Your login, daily login, your commissions, when you do 20 transactions, the commission you get, all of that are going to under NAIRA. So now, after accumulating, I want to convert the NAIRA to naira so that I can withdraw it to my bank account. So I click on naira. So I'm converting let me say I'm converting 4,000, right? So I convert. You can see before I was having 800 naira in my naira balance. So but now you can see what I'm having in my naira now. My naira, I'm now having 3,000 plus. So now if I want to withdraw it to bank, to my normal bank, if you are Nigerian, your normal bank, traditional bank. So you go to withdraw. When you click on withdraw, which one are you withdrawing? If it is naira, don't forget you can withdraw your naira too directly to your bank account. You can withdraw it. So if I'm withdrawing naira, I click on naira, then I put the amount. So let me say I'm withdrawing 2,000 naira, right? So I click on details, which is bank name. Let me say I'm sending it to OPay. Then my account name, which is of course Rotimi Amini. Then account number. So the account number I'm sending it to, right? So I'm sending it to this account. Then I will click on withdraw. I will click on withdraw. So that is how to withdraw to your naira. You can see your withdrawal has gone successfully. So the platform, the system is going to check it and process it. You can see until the system process it before you can get it. Yes, you can withdraw naira. So, but you cannot convert your RAFT to naira. You cannot convert your RAFT to naira. You cannot convert your dollar to naira. You can see if you click on convert, if you click on dollar, you can see you cannot convert your dollar to naira. So now based on that, the advice is that only convert to RAFT if you know you want to use it on the app. Only convert to RAFT if you know you want to use it on the app or you want to stake. So I don't if you once you convert it to RAFT, you cannot convert it back to naira. Let that be clear. But you can convert it to dollar, of course, and withdraw it. You can also withdraw dollar. You can see when you click on withdraw, then you click on USDT dollar, then you put your uh, the amount you want to withdraw, then you put the address, right? If it is BIP20 or USD, these are the ones BIP20 that is basically allowed. Then your wallet address, so you can withdraw. So if you are using naira, if you want to withdraw your RAFT, yeah, of course you can convert it to dollar and withdraw it, but you cannot convert RAFT to naira. So please, you cannot convert RAFT to naira. So RAFT is the utility token, for this platform. So it is meant to be used. So don't just buy it and keep it till the kingdom come. Use it on the platform. Use it to buy airtime. Use it to buy data. Use it for bulk SMS for people that want to send messages, customized messages in the organization. Use it for electricity. Use it for cable TV. Use it for RAF remit. Use it for WIRE and NECO this thing. Payroll. Betting is there. So Smile, then crypto P2P, that one is coming soon. So you can use it for all of that, right? So you can use it for your subscription. So I see many people will say, oh, they did a 2,000 subscription and they are expecting to have um 2,666 RAFT. No, what this means is that this subscription is going to cost you 2,000 naira, which is equivalent to 2,666 RAFT. So not that you are receiving 2,666, you see that you are paying the 2,000 naira or you are paying 266 RAFT. So that is it. So you need to understand the differences. So the benefit that are attached to each of the package, each of the plan here, they are all listed here. You can see them here on the list, right? So thank you guys. So thank you so much, guys.